Hi there, George here from Thames Valley Windows. Today we're looking at the Apeer 44, which delivers on all fronts. It's 44mm depth with a solid, high-density core, offering superb insulation and security without compromise. Unlike many standard composite doors, the Apeer 44 comes police approved as standard. This means better protection and long-term peace of mind. U values start at 1.4 and is available in 60 different designs and 20 different colours, alongside different rail colours, should you choose to do so. These are all available in wood effect finishes. A variety of different traditional and modern designs, alongside many decorative glazing options, are also available. So if you want a classic look or a bold statement piece, this fits seamlessly. Apeer manufactures the entire door set, sash, frame and glass, all in-house, ensuring tighter quality control and better fit, unlike many other providers, who typically would use third-party parts and a timber core, which can move over time. So if you're looking for a door that offers top-tier performance without compromise, this door is for you.